Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Kevin Brown. I'm with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about the UPWALKER series. If you've watched any TV commercials recently or seen anything, this is one of the biggest marketing things that you'll see as far as a walker goes. It's called an UPWALKER. What this does is give you the ability to put your hands up here, put your arms up here, and stand upright. They have two versions right now that we're showing. We're going to talk about the original UPWALKER and the UPWALKER Lite. So the original one has all the bells and whistles. It's a very nice device. It really works well for somebody that is wanting to stand upright. You can adjust these handles up and down. They're actually numbered, as you'll see right here. So you can always make sure they're matched up, but you can adjust them to whatever height you need. They make this in a actual two sizes, a standard and a large. The standard is for 4'7" to 5'10", which we have here, and the large is for 4'10" to 6'5". This has a 300-pound weight capacity, and their large version has a 350-pound weight capacity. It's probably some of the biggest differences. You've got 8-inch wheels on the bottom here, okay? Your width is 23.5 inches on the standard, and it is 25.5 on the large. But some of the nice things that I like about this is you have the ability, again, to make this minor adjustment, get your arms right. You also have the ability to move this in and out a little bit. You have a little bit of play where you can slide the armrest actually out some and adjust it where it needs to be, so you'll be comfortable and you'll have everything that you need where the handles are at a comfort level. You can squeeze the wheel locks here. You can also push them and lock them in place so when you go to sit down. And this is what's different about the UPWALKER and the other UPWALKER versions. The original UPWALKER has a sliding seat, and the reason they do that is you will find that when you're getting therapy or somebody's telling you to use a walker, they say get inside the walker and walk with it, okay? It's hard sometimes to get all the way inside with versions that have a seat. This one actually gives you the ability to do that because you can slide that seat. When you're ready to sit down, all you have to do is grab onto the padded armrest here and then take a seat like this. You can adjust the height if it hits your shoulders, but I'm about 5'8", and I'm feeling it a little bit on my shoulders on the back, but I can adjust the height higher or lower so it doesn't do that. So it's a nice feature. You also have the ability to stand up and push up from the handrest here. You'll see that this has a reflector on the backside here. So if you are taking out like a couple of little reflectors and things like that. You also have a light here. Let's see if I can get it to turn on for us. That when it's dark, it lights up for you. It's got a little charge port that you can just plug into a USB and charge it. So it's a nice little feature there. Comes in handy. When you want to fold it up, all you have to do is just pull. There's a handle right here, and you pull it up. Nice little feature to keep it connected is there's a clip right there. That clip allows this to not open up on you. So when you pick this up or put it in a trunk of a car, back seat, it's not gonna open up on you by doing that clip. So that's a nice little feature there that comes in really handy, you know, because a lot of people, you know, when they're putting it in a car, it moves on them, it doesn't really lock, have a locking mechanism. This does. Comes standard with a cup holder, so you can put a drink there. It also has a bag at the top that you can put things in. You can also see through that side so you can see what you had, little things like that. Again, so overall, it's a really nice walker. Some people will say it's a little bulky, but if you're really needing to stay inside that walker, this is the version you need to look at. Oh, it really does work well, and we've had a lot of customers like it. The Lite version here, the UPWALKER Lite, is just basically a few different features that the UPWALKER, they basically stripped it down a little bit, okay? It still has your adjustable handles and everything like that. The pads are a little bit smaller. You still have your cup holder. You got your wheel locks right here. You also push down to lock them in place. This does not come with a sliding feature here, okay? On this one, we'll go over this. This is for somebody that's anywhere from 4'10" to 6'1", 300-pound weight capacity. All right, your wheel size is actually a 10-inch wheel on the front and an 8-inch on the rear. So it does have bigger front wheels, and some people like that. You know, the larger the wheel, usually a little bit easier to go over some, you know, say outdoor terrain, grass, things like that. This has a real nice padded back. So when you want to do that, for me, what I like to do, I like to push this all the way down. Then I like to make sure my wheels are locked. Then I can either go here or here, and I can sit down. And I can actually rest my arms like this. That is a nice feature that you can do by having this adjustment here. You go to stand up, push up, come back here. It's just a click of a button. I want to make sure you see that right there. So I've got this set up. I go all the way to 5. It's locked in at 5, and so it's not going to go anywhere. The bag is at the bottom down here. It's zippered, so you can put things in it. Very nice feature there. You also have, on this version, you have 2 lights. So they're magnetic, and they just click on. Again, this is a little charge piece that comes with it, but if it just gets dark, it will light up for you. So I don't know how well that shows up on our video here, but again, something you can keep charged if you're out at night. It's really handy. And then folding it up, you're just going to take and fold it up. Now this version does not have anything that actually locks it like that other version does in place, but it does give you the ability where you can grip this with one hand when you pick it up, and it shouldn't open up on you. Where that one's a little bulkier and it's a little harder to do, but that's where this feature comes in. Again, 2 different versions, same company, UPWALKER, the original version, and UPWALKER Lite. This version, if I'm not mistaken, actually comes in 2 colors. You can get this in a original color here, they call it dark luster silver, but they also make a champagne version. So there's a few features and benefits on there as well, as you can read. Warranty on it is 6 months, non-durable components and accessories. We've not had any issues on warranty. We have these in store here in Hermitage and Franklin, Tennessee, and we also offer them online at allstarmedicalllc.com. If you have questions, you can check us out by calling us at 615-730-9438. I apologize for that. And we will be glad to answer questions about it. We can ship anywhere in the continental United States, but if you have questions about them, call us. We really do know the features and benefits, front end and back end, and we can help you decide on which one will work best for you. If you're local, come in store and try them out for yourself. We appreciate you watching this video, and you have a great day. Thanks.